Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Settings and heading straight to the system-level gesture area. Don't waste time in launcher settings. Once there, use the search box if needed to type, navigation, or gestures to jump to the right panel. Make sure you are in the Devices system or Additional Settings group rather than an app-specific menu. You'll see options labeled System Navigation, Navigation Gestures, or similar. Select that entry now so you can change how swipes behave across the whole phone. You now pick the navigation mode that matches how you want to swipe. Choose Gesture Navigation to use full-screen swipes or 3-button navigation to keep buttons. Once selected, tap the Customize or Settings icon next to the mode to reveal sensitivity sliders, backswipe edge width, and gesture hints. Adjust sensitivity in small increments. Higher sensitivity means shorter swipes. Make sure to watch the built-in preview demo after each change so you can confirm the swipe length and edge zones behave the way you expect. You finish by tapping Apply or simply backing out to save the selection, then test swipes in several apps, home, browser, and recent apps, to confirm consistent behavior. If swipes misfire or the back gesture triggers unintentionally, return to sensitivity or edge width and reduce the active edge slightly. Once done, make sure to reboot the phone if behavior still seems off. If problems persist, reset navigation settings to defaults and reconfigure. That single reboot or reset often resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.